Typing Master 11 is a touch typing tutor that adapts to your unique needs. It provides over 10 hours of customized exercises to guide you step by step to professional keyboarding. As a result, your typing speed is likely to double, or even triple, and you will save hours and hours of valuable working time. Training is adjusted to your personal progress every step of the way. Typing Master pinpoints your weak spots and eliminates them with personalized exercises. Thanks to this dynamic approach, your new skill is ready for action after 3 to 5 hours of training. You can now download the free 1-week trial with all features. With Typing Meter, our unique widget for tracking and analyzing your keyboarding when you work on your PC, you can keep on honing your writing skills long after finishing the touch type lessons. With this unbeatable widget that you won't find in any other keyboarding software, you can track your writing habits and use the collected data in targeted training sessions. Whether writing an email or a report or chatting online, the Typing Meter records your keystrokes, tracks and analyzes your writing patterns, and identifies the keys and words that repeatedly cause difficulties. From time to time, the Typing Meter will pop up on the screen and suggest that you do a lesson focusing on your difficult letters and words. You can measure your current word per minute speed and accuracy with advanced typing skill tests and print out a diploma, certificate. Premium version allows to add custom texts. Choose a test time 1 to 30 minutes. Play our fun typing games to see how far your typing skills will take you. While training, Typing Master app detects your problematic fingers or keys that need extra practice, and you can take additional exercises or games focusing to them. Millions of people download every year Typing Master computer software program for typing practice purposes.